Most people don't know that one of the most clear signs that you have parasites is grinding your teeth at night. Parasites like roundworm and pinworm mess with your nervous system and cause you to grind your teeth. They also cause insomnia. CDC says 60 million Americans have parasites. I've seen more aggressive studies saying 80% of people have parasites. But if you eat sushi or are around animals or literally just walk outside, you are exposing yourself to parasites. And parasites can live inside you for years. It's crazy that detoxing from parasites is not a normal thing that people do or it's on their radar. In Mexico, you can't even go to school without doing a parasite cleanse, and in Russia, it's totally common. But somehow here in America, we just don't really care. We're not aware of it.